Hi, I'm Isabel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add these pockets to the Hanane pants. Let's do it.
So right now the pants have these pockets which are in between slash and jean pockets, sort of. The reason why I made them almost horizontal like this on the pattern is because I was afraid of the pockets gaping open when the pants are worn, but I'm not sure I love their look. I kind of like them now, but last week I didn't like them so much, so I don't really know. But anyways, today I'm showing you how to sew these pockets instead. So we start the tutorial with the fabric already cut. I'll take one front leg and trace a line. That's 3.5 centimeter horizontally and 17.5 centimeters vertically. These measurements are just me picking them based on other pants I have. You don't have to follow them at all. You can just come up with your own. And they include seam allowances. I'll cut this line for both legs. I go back to the paper pattern for a sec. I stuck the pocket bottom to the front leg and I copied this part with my printer. I transfer my notches of 3.5 and 17.5 from the top left corner. I'm gonna draw pocket shapes between these two notches. Now, I'll copy what I just did. On the copy, I actually draw this time that slanted line. And I cut both pieces. So one piece is the pocket lining and the other piece is the back pocket. Now I transfer the grain line on both pieces. I have cut my fabric. In piece the pattern, this is a lining which I place like this, and the back pocket part like this. This is a simulation, by the way, so you can get the big picture before we actually start sewing. I've cut interfacing on my pocket openings. My leg is now right side up. I draw my sewing line. I lay the lining right sides together. And I sew the layers together. I have also understitch here, but it's superfluous because I decided to top stitch right after. I now take my back pocket and I pin it to the lining only. And I'm gonna sew all around respecting 1 centimeter of seam allowance, like this. And now I'll finish this edge with my overlocker. And this is done. I'll sew the layers in place in the seam allowance on top and on the side, and that's pretty much it. The front pockets are done, so for the rest of the Hanane pants you can get back to the tutorial. See ya! Kiss, bye!